Hello students, I am Professor Prajakta Gaikwad. In this semester, I will be teaching you supply chain and logistics management. Today we will be discussing our basic introduction of our subject, that is supply chain and logistics management. This is very important subject in management studies. Basically, this subject deals with industries like manufacturing, automobile, e-commerce and so on. Supply chain and logistics management is highly detailed system used by small and large organizations. Today more than ever before, supply chain and logistics management has become an integral part of business and is essential to any company's success and customer satisfaction too. Supply chain and logistics management has the power to boost customer service, reduce operating cost and improve the financial standing of the company. So now you all must be thinking what ma'am is talking about. What is exactly the supply chain and logistics management? So students, let's study the subject in detail. The term logistics and supply chain management are used interchangeably these days. But there is subtle difference that exists between the both, which we will discuss later. So firstly, we will see the supply chain management. We will go one by one. So first, supply. In very simple words, supply is to provide something that is wanted or needed, often in a large quantities and over a long period of time. If we can take example, Amazon supplies any product which you have ordered. Correct? Next, chain. It means a series of things linked, connected or associated together. For instance, when you have ordered something from Amazon and delivery boy delivers it to you, this is the chain of Amazon, delivery boy and you. Correct? Did you understand? Now, the important term which you already know, that is management. And from the first semester, you have learned this term. Management is the process of dealing with or controlling things or people in a proper manner. We can also say the organization and coordination of activities of a business in order to achieve defined objective is management. So, you might have understood the simple meaning of this three words, that is supply chain management. In short, we also called it as supply chain management. The term supply chain management was coined in 1982 by Keith Oliver of Booz Allen and Hamilton Incorporation. Again, there are two different concepts, that is first supply chain and second supply chain management. First, we will going to discuss supply chain. Supply chain is the connected network of individuals, organizations, resources, activities and technologies involved in the manufacturing of sale of product or service. A supply chain starts with the delivery of a raw material from a supplier to manufacturer and ends with the delivery of the finished product or service to the end user. Secondly, we will see supply chain management. So, supply chain management is the management of flow of goods and services and includes all processes that transform raw material into final product. It involves the active streamlining of businesses' supply side activities to maximize customer value and gain a competitive advantage in the marketplace. According to Keith Oliver, supply chain management is the process of planning, implementing, and controlling the operations of supply chain with the purpose to satisfy customer requirements as efficiently as possible. So students, supply chain is also called the art of management of providing the right product at the right time, at the right place and at the right cost to the customer. So students, you must have understood in the first term, we have connected all the things of product manufacturing and delivery of that product. And in the second term, we are managing all the connected term of supply chain. The best example of current era is the e-commerce sites like Flipkart, Amazon, Walmart, etc. Where we all are experiencing the good SCM. Now let's look into logistics management. In very simple words, logistics management, in very simple words, logistics is the commercial activity of transporting goods to consumer. We can also say like that logistics is a generally detailed organization and implementation of a complex operation. How? See, basically logistics has a military origin and used to be associated with the movement of troops and their supplies in the battlefield. But like so many other technologies and terminologies, it extend into the business lexicon gradually and has now become synonymous with the set of activities ranging from procurement of raw materials to the delivery of the final polished goods to the end consumer. So, did you understand the meaning of logistics? Now we will discuss the logistics management. The logistics management process begins with raw material accumulation to the final stage of delivering goods to the destination. Logistics management may be defined as the art and science of obtaining, producing and distributing material and product in the proper place and in proper quantities. It is rapidly evolving business discipline that involves management of order processing, warehousing, transportation, material handling and packaging, all of which should be integrated throughout a network of facilities. That is what the logistics management. Understood students? So, logistics is concerned with the both material flow and information flow. While material flow from the supplier to consumer, the information flows the other way around. So, material flow requires information flow. Against good logistics principle is that if material is delivered, although no one has information about it, information must however be attached to material and to product. For example, packaging must include information on the content, sender and destination. So students, I hope you have understood the concept of supply chain management and logistics management. So, in the next lecture, we will be discussing the difference between these two terms, that is supply chain management and logistics management and so on. Thank you very much.